In this video, we are going to create a bar graph. So to create a bar graph, we will go to Plots in the toolbar on the left side of Rguroo. We will click Create Plot, and we will choose Bar Plot. We need to choose a data set, serial. Then we need to decide whether our data is categorical or numerical. Normally when we do a bar plot, it is categorical. And we need to choose a factor. We're only going to choose one factor, so let's choose shelf. So this is the location of the shelf that the cereals are located. And then on the right, you can decide whether you want to have counts or whether you want it to be proportions. So to list relative frequency instead of counts. And I would just leave side by side there. And then after that, basically, you just hit the eyeball. And here you have it. We've got a bar plot or bar graph for shelves. At the bottom, you'll see the different shelf locations: bottom, middle, top, and top. And then on the left-hand side, you can see the frequency. Okay, if you want to include the counts, go back to Basics and click Add Value Labels. That's underneath the counts here. So add value labels. So now when you look at it, it includes the labels so that you can see how many of each there are without trying to guess, since it looks like it's counting by fives on the left there. If you wanted to do a relative frequency bar graph, we could go back to Basics and then change it from counts to proportions and then view it. And there you have the proportions of each cereal in the specified location. And then just like with histograms, you can, at the bottom here, change the title and the labels of the axes. And that is how you create a bar graph for categorical data.